Good morning, room 4. I'm here to do morning meeting with you. So we're going to start with the day. So today is. Let's think about what today is. So yesterday was Wednesday. So today is what? You can use your morning meeting folder to point to the day. Today is Thursday. Good job. All right, the month. This picture means the month. So the month is, let's think. We've talked about it, and this month rains a lot. Can you find what the month is? The month is April. Point to April on your morning meeting folder. Good job. All right, the date is April 16th. The weather is, all right, I want you to go look outside and find out the weather. Miss Ainsley just looked outside and the weather is sunny. Can you touch the weather on your morning meeting folder? Good job. All right, the temperature is. Miss Ainsley's looking up the temperature. Right now, it's 30 degrees. It will get warmer today, though. But right now, the temperature is cold. Very, very cold. All right. Now we're going to look at our daily schedule. So this is our classroom website. So to go to Miss Ainsley's page, you touch my picture. And then this is our daily schedule. Click the daily schedule for it to open. All right. So here is our daily schedule. So it says Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Our daily schedule today has, oh, there it is. Okay. Morning meeting that we're doing right now. Virtual field trip. If you've done this all week, you do not need to do it again. Boom Learning for IEP goals. Math, language arts, and social studies. So to find those lessons, you would go back to our website and click each picture you want to do. So if you want to do language arts first, you can click it. And here's our language arts activity. Have your parents go to the day. So this is Thursday's lesson. We're reading chapter 2 of our book. You can click on the video of me reading it, and then we complete the activity for it. And then math lesson for the day. You go to the day of the week, Thursday. Here's a video of me teaching about shapes, and then an activity for you to do. And lastly is social studies. It's loading. Give it 1 second. So here is the activity for social studies. It's a video about Greta Thunberg, and I'm going to fix it because there's another activity to go with it. So I will add that in. All right, I hope everyone has a great Thursday, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.